In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-language store in Shopify for 2025. If you've been thinking about expanding your business internationally and catering to a diverse audience, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have an understanding of how to effectively manage different languages on your Shopify store, allowing customers from various regions to shop in their native language. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to access your Shopify admin panel. Once you're signed into your Shopify account, navigate to the Home section of your store by clicking on My Store. This area serves as your dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online business. Whether you're just getting started or are a seasoned Shopify user, becoming familiar with the layout here is essential. Next, you want to direct your attention to the Settings section. This is where you'll manage all your store's configurations, from general settings to more advanced preferences. In the Settings section, locate and click on Languages. This tab is crucial because it allows you to access the language settings of your store, which is the cornerstone of creating a multi-language environment. Once in the Languages section, you'll notice an option to Add a language. Click on this as it initiates the process of expanding your store's language offerings. This feature is incredibly user-friendly, designed to streamline the process of adding new languages without any technical jargon or complex processes. After you've clicked to add a language, the next step involves selecting the specific languages you want to implement. You'll see a button labeled Select that normally displays your primary language. Click on it to reveal a drop-down list of available languages. Take a moment to scroll through and identify which languages align with your target markets or business expansion plans. With the list of available languages in front of you, choose the ones you want to add by clicking on them. Shopify supports a wide variety of languages, catering to most regions globally, which is perfect for businesses looking to localize their content. Once you've selected the desired languages, they will be integrated into your store's language settings. It's worth mentioning that your Shopify theme needs to be compatible with this multilingual feature, so double-check your theme's documentation, or reach out to your theme developer if you run into any issues. And there you have it. Your Shopify store is now set up to support multiple languages. This not only helps in reaching a broader audience, but also enhances user experience by offering a shopping environment tailored to the linguistic preferences of your customers. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy selling.